Hi, my name is Hugo Sanchez, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of rThreat. And we have raised 1.3 mil on a pre-seed round. The program has been phenomenal, day and night. Since we joined, we learned so much about strategies, growth, plans, so on. The key thing I learned on this program is to understand that the value proposition that we have, it's unique, and how to transmit it across the board. And not only for customers, but investors. Listening to other founders and feeling like you're not alone, that you're not the only one facing the same problem, it's pretty awesome. And overcomes that loneliness of a founder, if you will. So the community is great. It's an interactive approach. I love it. It's always like everybody's participating. It's a very collaborative environment. What I really like about Newchip is that it comes down to helping other founders to achieve the same goal, which is bring an idea to fruition into a market. Newchip has a very unique space that you can feel home. Like, you're not by yourself. You get your tools. You walk with friends, and they take you in different journeys, but at the end they always help you get to where you want to be.